As Nnamdi Kanu, the widely called leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, appeared in Abuja High Court today to answer to the terrorism and treasonable felony charges preferred against him, High Court sitting in Abia State today delivered a judgment and ordered President Muhammadu Buhari-led federal government to tender public apology that must be published in 3 national daily newspapers to the Biafra agitation leader, Nnamdi Kanu, following the military invasion of his family home on September 10, 2017. Justice Benson Anya of the Abia State High Court, who sat in Umuahia, also ordered the federal government to pay the sum of 1 billion naira as fine for the rights violation of Nnamdi Kanu due to the military invasion of his father's house in Afaraku, Abia State. Justice Benson Anya in his ruling also advised federal government to adopt political solution in dealing with issues involving Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra agitation. Justice Benson Anya struck out other relief sought by Nnamdi Kanu's legal team, including his rendition from Kenya and freedom from the DSS detention. Picture shows Nnamdi Kanu, the publicly called leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, First Right, with his defense lawyers in court in Abuja on Tuesday. Credit, Facebook. It would be recalled, Nnamdi Kanu defense lawyer, Aloy Ejimakor, had filed a 5 billion naira suit against the federal government of Nigeria and the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, and 6 others, requesting for the stoppage of Nnamdi Kanu continuous detention and prosecution. The suit also seeks the court judgment on Nnamdi Kanu rendition from Kenya to Nigeria in June 2021. The suit was filed on August 27, 2021 and sought for the declaration of the military invasion of Nnamdi Kanu's home in Abia State on September 10, 2017 by the Nigeria government as illegal, unlawful, unconstitutional, and an act of infringement of Kanu's fundamental human rights to life, dignity of his person, his personal liberty and fair hearing as guaranteed under the Nigeria Constitution and the Africa Charter on Human and People's Rights. Kindly support our vision of building a community of 1 million pen soldiers whose successes will be judged based on positive development in the society. Court orders Buhari to tender public apology to Nnamdi Kanu, pay N1b fine, recommends political solution January 19, 2022. As Nnamdi Kanu, the widely called leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, appeared in Abuja High Court today to answer to the terrorism and treasonable felony charges preferred against him, High Court sitting in Abia State today delivered a judgment and ordered President Muhammadu Buhari-led federal government to tender public apology. Continue. FG holds Nnamdi Kanu responsible for N1b's protest in Lagos, 80 BRT burnt buses January 18, 2022. As Federal High Court sitting in Abuja today adjourned the continuation of trial of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, till tomorrow Wednesday, one of the 15 newly amended terrorism and treasonable felony count charges indicated that the detained Biafra leader is being accused of the violent N1b's protests that continue. 8 new terrorism charges. FG holds Nnamdi Kanu responsible for sit-at-home order started while already in DSS custody January 18, 2022. One of the count charges of terrorism preferred against the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, by the federal government may be the sit-at-home order issued and cancelled by the new leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, in protest for the unconditional release of the rearrested Biafra agitation leader, and continue. FG 8 new terrorism charges against Nnamdi Kanu, a delay tactics in futility, defense lawyer Aloy Ejimakor January 17, 2022. Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, one of the defense lawyers to the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has described the newly added 8 counts charges of terrorism against the Biafra leader at the eve of his resumed court trial tomorrow as nothing but a delay tactics that will end up and continue. FG adds 8 new terrorism charges against Nnamdi Kanu January 17, 2022. Federal government of Nigeria under the leadership of President Muhammadu Buhari has filed and added more charges to the earlier 7 counts treasonable charges preferred against the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. The 8 new terrorism charges are added less than 24 hours to the continuation of the continue.